Hi everyone, today we're going to be making bacon potato salad. So what do we need for our bacon potato salad? 3 pounds Yukon Gold potatoes cut into 1/2 to 3/4 inch pieces. You can leave the skin on because it is a very thin skin. If you want to use the red potatoes or russet potatoes, any of those type, you will have to peel them. 3/4 cup mayo. I'm going to use Miracle Whip because my husband doesn't like mayonnaise. 1/3 cup dill pickle relish. 1/2 teaspoon dried dill. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 cup bacon crumbles. 6 hard-boiled eggs, roughly chopped, and 4 green onions, sliced thin. So let's begin. So I went ahead and cleaned the potatoes and then chopped them up and put them in the pot. Next we'll go ahead and just cover it with water, put it on high, get it to boil, and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 12 minutes, the potatoes are done. They are fork tender. So we'll go ahead and drain them and then let them cool. So while the potatoes are cooling, we're going to go ahead and mix up the sauce. And we'll dump in 3/4 cups mayonnaise. And like I said, I am using Miracle Whip. 1/3 cup dill pickle relish. You know, I've never heard of dill pickle relish before. I've always heard of sweet pickle, but never dill pickle. They definitely smell like dill pickles though. And then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of dill, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix it up thoroughly. And that looks pretty good. And then we'll add the potatoes. The bacon crumbles, which is 1/2 cup, and the 6 hard-boiled eggs cut up roughly, and mix it thoroughly. And then sprinkle the 4 cut green onions. And give it another stir. Now you can go ahead and eat this right away if you'd like, or put it in the refrigerator to chill. For me, I like cold potato salad. So I am going to go ahead and let it chill for a couple of hours. And then we'll get my husband to taste test it. Okay, so we have the bacon potato salad, and rounding off the meal is smoky barbecue pork chops.
I like this.
Do you like it better than the regular potato salad I usually make?
I like the skin left on the potatoes, which is a little different, but I like that. It's got bacon in it.
Yes, it does.
I like that too.
All right, thank you.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.